And now I'm doing both. I've been cleaning pots that have plants in them, and also my empty pots that are over there on the other side, because I've been just picking up pots that have dead plants in them and just emptying them out. So that's what I've been doing. Today's a beautiful, nice, breezy day, so I want to work out here on that. And then the plants have been doing very well up here. They like it. It's elevated, so there's more airflow than down on the ground. And there's more sun as well, so they're getting more sun. With all the rain that we've been having here, rain almost every single day, they need it. They need the sun to dry up. So yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna try to see if I can set up my camera so that you guys can see me do the actual work, and we'll see what we do. So I think I should wrap this video up already because it's getting too long. You guys get the gist of it, that I moved all my plants pretty much here. It is 12:50 and look at the sun that they're getting. But it feels really nice outside. It does not feel very hot. And they look pretty happy. So I just wanted to give you guys a really close look. And then that's it. Then I'll go ahead and upload the video. There's so many pieces to put together, so yes. This one was inside the greenhouse and I brought her out so she can get more water. I'm a slacker in watering. This one as well, and this one it's just known for, I've never had one very last very long here. In the greenhouse, yes, but out, in the backyard, no. So yeah, these are doing well. Then look, a new one right here, new little baby. This one was in the greenhouse as well. Brought her out. She get more water. This one as well. Greenhouse. This one has been doing really well. Has several pups that I need to pull out soon so they can grow better. Look at that one. Propagation. It's growing nice and big. This is a variegated ghost plant. This is gosh, I can't remember. I know what it was. Left my mind. Okay, this one. This is a really good, strong plant. Does well This is a really, it's just, I would say comparable to my ghost plants and the other ones. Purple Delight, oh, and very, very, very prolific. So yeah, very beautiful. Here is this ghost plant here. She is liking her new spot, in my opinion. Here is my something Maui. I forget the rest of it. She was also in the greenhouse. Brought her out so she can get more water. Gotta go back in there. Oopsie. Knocked the leaf down. This is my copper spoon. It's right there. I don't know what this one is called here, but she's liking the new spot as well. Look, this one is coming back, so I'm happy about that. These are propagated pink butterflies. This is I don't know if this is Subsilis. She looks slightly different, so I'm not sure. This is supposed to be a variegated ghost plant. I mean, I'm sorry, variegated Pro Newtonberg, but haven't seen her variegated since I bought her. This one is doing really well. I've had this one for a long time as well. I love it. It looks like something that belongs in what's it called? Like a wreath. This one was stretching, but hopefully it's not going to continue to stretch. It's getting a lot of sun. This one was in the greenhouse as well. Took her out for her to get more water. And then just propagations everywhere. This is the one that I beheaded. Finally has some roots. So she's here. I don't want to disturb her. But the I think I took out the stem. I think the stem might be somewhere. It has several ones growing on it. These are starting to grow out of the moldy parts. I keep meaning to try maybe like water and peroxide mix, but every time I want to do it, there's sun, so I'm like, no, I gotta wait. Then I forget. Then by the time there's no more sun, I forget. Look at him. What are you doing? Stop. Hey, you're messing up my plants. Stop. So they say that dogs sometimes will eat soil because they're trying to get more minerals in their diet. But yeah. Look at this one. I'm very happy. This one as well. This one. Same plant as this one. This is not. This is Alpenglow, I think. Look at how they grow funky. Let's drop the leaf. This one. This one. Look at my topsy-turvies. I mean, no, cubic frost. This one has been suffering. Listen, I'm surprised I've had this one for so long, because normally I don't do well with these. But she's struggling, so we'll see. Look at how beautiful that one looks. This one is trying to have a comeback as well. Look at my Black Prince. Several of them there. How pretty it is. Focus. There we go. This is a different type of ghost plant. I don't know which one it is. I got it from Maria. This is Echeveria Spoons, I believe it's called. A mix of different things. That smells really strong. I know you guys know the name of that. I forgot the name. This one had an accident, fell in a plant. Well, actually a plant fell on it, but it looks like it's recovering. It's got scars, but other than that, it's fine. This arrangement that I purchased from Home Depot a while ago is doing really well. I think it's already been more than a year. This one is trying to come back. This is propagation that I've had for a long time. This plant is not doing well at all. I don't know what to do with it anymore. This one. These are propagation. This one is propagation. Looks really pretty. It feels hot now. Here is the variegated subcellus that I beheaded. I don't even know if I called it the right name. Look, 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 I see a snail. Look, the snail is all the way up here. What a little loser you are. Off you go to the other side. Snails. Snails need to leave my plants alone. The breeze feel, if you're sitting in the shade out here right now, it would feel really nice. The sun feels, you know, standing in the sun and you can feel it, but in the shade it feels nice. A lot of leaves dropping. I've been thinking about moving this one to the front because I have a plant in the front that's doing really well, and it's so old and it's just really happy, and it's this kind. Look at this one. This one might be getting too much sun here. I'm not sure. My dominoes, all of them, they're getting really these terrible looking things, which I think is scale, but goodness, I don't know. Scales is such a thing that's terrible. Won't go away. I don't know. Here's this beauty right here. She's beautiful. I gotta be careful for her not to burn. It's really a pretty plant. This one is doing okay. It's recovering from just whatever these scars are. This one looks This one had fallen as well, and I went ahead and separated a bunch of them because, well, they fell apart. So yeah, we'll see how they do. This is another one that Maria gave me, the same kind that she gave me. Oh gosh, I didn't notice this little guy fell out of the pot. When it rains really hard. And you'll notice that there's like splatter everywhere of soil. And that's how you know that it rained really hard. It fell all the way down. Hopefully it will grow. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this table. Gonna have a bunch of just propagations, and I brought this one out of the greenhouse, and I don't know, I didn't think, and it got burned. So I moved a bunch of the leaves that got burned, but it's okay though. See a bunch of propagations. Some of these were in that table over there, and I look at Maxie. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, are you getting dirty? That's wet over there. Anyways, so a lot of these were over there, and I moved them over here because it was getting a lot of shade over there. But now that I'm looking at it, it does get actually a decent amount of sun. It's probably the timing. Yeah, so my phone got overheated. The sun was hitting it as I was recording. But anyways, that's it, guys. That's what I was trying to show you, you know, how I cleaned everything and how I moved my plants where I thought that they would do better, because we've been getting lots of rain. I feel like this is more rain than last year, definitely. So yeah, that's it. I still have some more pots to clean, but at least you guys got the idea of what I've been doing. Thank you guys so much for watching and always supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.